Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Not all Roku remotes come with volume buttons. This is often due to the specific model or the design focus on simplicity and cost-effectiveness. If you require volume control directly from your remote, consider upgrading to a Roku remote that includes these functions, such as the enhanced or voice remote, which offer volume adjustment and mute options. Alternatively, some TVs allow control of the Roku interface, including volume, through HDMI CEC with a compatible TV remote.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.